Most people publish low content book on Amazon and nobody's seeing them and no sales. In this video, I will show you how to promote your KDP book on Pinterest and get free traffic and get real sales. Now, just go to your book and copy your book cover like this, and let's go to Gemini. Now, I will tell Gemini to create me a post for Pinterest for my ebook for clicks, and I will pass to the cover book and click generate. Now let's show what give me. Let's create the image. Now it's finished, but it's added a Pinterest logo on the post. I will tell him to remove the Pinterest logo and click generate. Now it's give me the post. Here it's remove the Pinterest post logo, and I will click download. Now I will go to the book and copy the keyword niche and go to Pinterest, click on trends, go to search trends, and paste the keyword. Paste it in the search here. It's Cozy Cutes book. Here it's this keyword, it's grow on Pinterest. Here a lot of people promoting their books on this niche. Now I will copy this keyword and go to Gemini. I tell Gemini to create me one of best Pinterest pin title SEO. Use this keyword. I will this give me a Pinterest title and description, and I'll paste the keyword and go back to Pinterest, and I will copy all this related keyword. This is in all this keyword in one niche, and go to Gemini and paste it. Now Gemini will create me one powerful SEO Pinterest title and description. Use this keyword, and I will go to Pinterest, choose here, click on create pin. I will upload the image I generated by Gemini and go back to Gemini. I will copy the title first, paste it here, and I will copy the description with hashtags and go back to the Pinterest, paste it, and here I will go to Amazon book and I will copy the link from the book. Here the link, and go back to Pinterest and paste it here. And here you choose your board, and here you added the tags on this niche. Just copy the keyword here, the keyword with searching about it, and paste this keyword on these tags. If you don't find, just remove the first keyword and you can choose the 10 tags, or create or write the coloring books here, all the tags from this niche. And added all this keyword and just click publish it. But this if you want to high ranking on Pinterest, you should to create a 10 or 20 posts every day. That's why I recommend you to use AI Sales Rocket. This is one powerful AI software created specifically for Amazon authors. With AI Sales Rocket, you don't need to promote in your book manually. Just upload your book on AI Sales Rocket and connect your social media account like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and AI Sales Rocket will create a content post from your book and publish it on all social media accounts you don't need to do that manually. If you want to try AI Sales Rocket, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.